Welcome to another video of the Alarm series. In this video, we are going to explore the custom views and how to build your own alarm status view. Before we dive into configuring custom views, let's take a moment to review the user roles that can create or edit these views. It's important to note that you may have been assigned a role that does not allow you to create or check custom views. You can access this configuration through the User Manager, but keep in mind that only supervisor-level users have this access. If you're not a supervisor, please reach out to someone in your office who is, to verify your role. Alright, let's dive in and see how it's done. To create a custom view, first ensure that you're not inside the System Views folder. As you can see, the plus button is grayed out, and the options in the hamburger menu at the top are also unavailable. To create a new custom view, return to the main Alarm Library menu. From there, you can either click the plus button or select the option from the top menu. Alternatively, you can use an existing system view as a base. Simply click the three dots next to any system view and select Edit to get started. Modify the parameters as needed and click Save as New. The details of each parameter will be explained shortly. Let's start fresh. First, click on the plus button while you're outside the system views. The first thing you'll need to do is assign a name to your new view. I'll go ahead and name mine Custom View Number 1. Next up, let's define the location. By default, it's set to Home, but if you have multiple views, it's a great idea to create a folder for better organization. So let's pause the view creation for a moment and head back to the Alarm Library Home. Here, click on the folder icon and give your new folder a name. Once it's created, we can return to our custom view setup. After naming your view and selecting the location, you'll need to decide whether this view will be shared with your group or kept private just for you. In previous videos, you learned the difference between the view types Alarm Status and Alarm History. In this video, we will use the Alarm Status option first. In the following video, you can check how the configuration works with Alarm History. Quick reminder, the Alarm Status view shows the current state of the alarm, while the Alarm History view displays not only the current state, but also the history of the alarm. Now, let's filter by alarm priority. Click on each rectangle to exclude specific priority levels from the view. When a rectangle gets striped, it means that priority is no longer included. Next, let's move on to the state. Click to see your options and select the one that best suits your needs. Now, let's select the specific sources. When you click on this option, a small window will appear displaying a list of your available devices. You can click Show Advanced to filter by type. Make your selection and click OK. Finally, explore the 5 categories of alarms and decide which ones you'd like to include in your view. As you can see, each category includes many alarm types. Please refer to the PME System Guide for more information about each of them. Once you've made all your selections, don't forget to click Save. With the custom view created, let's explore how to effectively use the information it provides. I'm going to trigger a communication alarm by disconnecting one of our meters using the Device Manager tool. In just a few seconds, you'll see the alarm appear in my custom view. It originates from the device we specified earlier and meets the criteria of our custom filter. It's an active alarm, high priority, and falls under the diagnostic category. From left to right, the alarm display shows a vertical red bar indicating high priority, a red blinking circle, confirming it's an active alarm, the duration the alarm has been active, the name of the alarm, the type of alarm, the source, a link to acknowledge the alarm, the time of the last occurrence, the number of occurrences. For more details, click on the alarm card. Here, you'll find information about where the alarm occurred, identifying the device that reported the issue, a link to the device diagram, which we can access by clicking Open Device Diagram. Let's take a look at that. It opens in a new window with the default template. As expected, there's no real-time data since we've lost communication with the device. Returning to the alarm window, you'll notice the History option on the left pane. This feature shows previous occurrences of the same alarm and allows you to download the data into a table. For further details, click on the Open Details icon. This opens a similar window with more options, including the events that triggered the alarm. Remember, this is the raw data coming from the device, which is later processed as an alarm. We also have the Time Analysis tool, which displays the correct sequence of events, showing the beginning and end of the alarm. You can save these views as well, but we'll cover that in another video. Back in the alarm details, you can access information about the incident, including the alarm definition we reviewed earlier and any incident groupings if applicable. Now, let's return to the main view and explore the options available from the top right hamburger menu. Here, you can open your view in a new window, download your alarms as a CSV file, show or hide additional columns that will appear in the CSV file. Acknowledge individual alarms or all alarms at once. Let's demonstrate how to acknowledge an alarm and see what happens to the alarm card. Notice that while the alarm remains active, the dot is blinking but only has a red border, indicating that it hasn't been fully resolved yet. That's a quick overview of how to navigate and utilize the alarm features in our custom view.